Hi everyone, it's Eleanor here and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have each and every single one of you here today. You guys have no idea how much it means to me that you've clicked on my thumbnail and decided to watch my video. So today I have this really easy hairstyle for you guys. I don't even really have a name for it, but before I get into it, this channel is all about natural hair and it's all about beauty. So if that sounds like you, please go ahead and subscribe and make sure you turn on your notifications so that you stay informed of all my videos. So let's get into it. So I have already washed my hair with a Twisted Sista luxurious clarifying shampoo. It contains coconut, avocado and almond oils, and I have to say this was a really good cleanser. So none of the products contain sulfates, parabens or phthalates. Now the one thing that I did notice on the ingredients list is that it contains an ingredient called disodium lauryl sulfosuccinate. It's quite a mouthful to pronounce. So when I saw that ingredient, I thought, oh my gosh, is this a type of sulfate? And then I actually did look it up. Apparently it is not a sulfate. It's a chemical commonly found in many greener or more natural formulas that is used to replace the harshest sulfates because of its non-irritating yet effective properties. So I was really surprised and enlightened by this because I have seen this on other shampoos, but I was honestly a little bit perplexed about it. So I'm really glad that I did this quick bit of research just to clear that up. I moved on to using the intensive leave-in conditioner, which again contains coconut, avocado and almond oils. It promises to hydrate, detangle and to block frizz. So I applied the leave-in conditioner the way I usually apply all my products. I start on the one side of my head, I start at the bottom and gradually move my way all the way up the hair shaft until I get to the top, and I basically detangle and rake the product through as I go. And guys, I honestly believe in always using a leave-in conditioner before I move on to like the actual styling step of my hair, just because it provides the perfect moisture basis for your hair for the week, especially because I'm only washing my hair once a week at the moment. If I was washing my hair more often, I'd say possibly that I don't have to use a leave-in conditioner, but if you're a once a week washer like I am, I definitely recommend always using a leave-in conditioner. Now, if you watched my last video where I did a Treasure Tress Twisted Sista unboxing, you would have seen that I mentioned that Treasure Tress actually says that you can use this intensive leave-in conditioner as a deep conditioner, and that's exactly what I ended up doing. And oh my gosh guys, it worked so well. I left it in my hair for about 10 minutes or so just while I was getting on with the rest of my shower routine, and by the time I rinsed it off, my hair felt really soft and really moisturized. Okay, and next we're moving on to the Curl Perfection Cream Gel. Now, I am really a fan of this product, guys. On the packaging, it says it provides moisture, hold, and shine, and it's a perfect style cocktail in one because basically it looks like a cream, but it acts like a gel. And I actually found this to be the perfect gel for me because it provided a hold, but it didn't make my hair crunchy or hard or anything like that. So again, I worked in two large sections, applying the product from the tips of my hair, working my way up. And then I decided to take my detangling brush just to really help to distribute that product through my hair thoroughly. And just look at that bounce back, guys. That's a sign of healthy hair when you stretch your hair out and it shrinks up back just like that. It's like magic. So after diffusing my hair, I'm now moving on to the actual hairstyle. So for the hairstyle, I'm starting by just loosely tying all the hair at the back, and then I'm going to take my fringe area to the front, but creating straight paths as I go. So you should be left with somewhat of a square shape like this. Then you're going to take that square shape of hair and divide it into two equal diagonal triangles. Well, it's not a complete triangle, but you get the picture. Then we're going to take that one triangle bit of hair and just tie it back. Next, I'm reaching for my Twisted Sista Nourishing Sleek Edge Gel, and we're just going to take a little bit of that gel and apply it to the front areas of our hair to try and keep the hair together, because we're going to create a flat twist. So you're going to create the flat twist from the front towards the back. And then you're just going to take a couple of bobby pins and tie the flat twist down. Next, we're going to take the second triangle bit of hair, take a little bit more of your Nourishing Sleek Edge Gel, apply a bit to the edges to help keep the hair down, and start flat twisting your hair from the front towards the back. Then you're going to take your bobby pins again and tie the flat twist down. Okay, so you should be left with two rather triangular shaped flat twists, and then of course you can leave it just like that, but I decided that I wanted to spruce mine up a little bit, so I'm taking my dreadlock beads and I'm just adding those to the flat twists just to make them stand out a little bit. But of course you can skip the step, you don't have to do it. So I'm taking a little bit more of the edge gel and I'm just kind of sleeking down my baby hairs a little bit at the front. I'm not an expert in doing this. I just felt that I wanted to sleek them down a little bit and really put this edge gel to the test. And I must say, I quite like it. I'm actually super impressed by it. And for the final step, I'm just taking my Afro pick and flicking out the rest of the hair, giving it some volume. You guys know that I have fine hair, so I like to take my Afro pick just to inject as much volume as I possibly can, and that is it. So overall, I really enjoyed using Twisted Sista products, everyone. I'm super impressed by them and I would definitely use them again. I love the fact that they are sulfate free, paraben free, they don't have any of the bad stuff in them. I received all of these products in the February Treasure Tress natural hair subscription box. I will also leave it down in the description bar below. So all in all, I'll definitely use these products again because I was super impressed with my results. My hair feels really soft, really nourished, really moisturized. And that's it, guys. Super easy hairstyle. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting this tutorial and this hairstyle together for you. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a massive thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know, what do you think of this hairstyle? Would you rock it? Have you used Twisted Sista products before? I would love to hear from you guys. I want us to have a proper conversation down in the comments. I don't want to be talking to myself. Subscribe if you haven't already. And if you've not checked me out on Instagram yet, I am at Eleanor. I would love it if you guys would follow me over there so that we can continue the hair and beauty chat. Thanks again for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!